This is probably gonna be my shortest video yet, but I finally bred this freaking guy right here.
Bro, really about to get.
Oh my goodness. Do you know how long it took to breed this guy? Oh my gosh, this guy took up so much space.
Oh, come on, man.
Dude, this is so cool. Oh my, that was a million. Oh my god. Hold on, let me rearrange everything. 1 second, guys. Don't leave yet. Or when this island came out, this was like my favorite island ever. Like after Woodland Island, this was easily my most favorite. Remember guys, bigify equals good.
Bro, for how hard it was to breed, I kinda wish he played a little longer.
Yeah, I'm about to be on this island for a long time. Hold on now, hold on. Bro, look at how tall this guy is. He's bigger than the castle.
This guy just came out. I cannot believe T-Pain's in this game. I don't know how to breed this guy, I'm not gonna lie. I can tell the intro is extended because I listen to Water Island pretty often. I'm really not gonna search this up. I gotta go through it all. Bro, what? Is this guy just impossible to breed?
Yes.
After a careful thought, apparently you can't breed this guy. Bro, how am I supposed to get this guy? Okay, 1 sec. I think right now we have the food thingy. So if I make food on every island, I could get close to it. I don't know.
Wrong.
Hello, BeMeebEth.
Die in a fucking fire.
Alright, well, I only have 28, so come on, 4,000, please. I'm gonna get T-Pain. I'm gonna get T-Pain. Wow, that was crazy. I never get anything good. And then it's gonna be the lowest one. Watch, ready?
Nope.
Please. Yeah, I mean, well, is it gonna do it again? I have a grave feeling. Yep. Well, I'm gonna have to buy the freaking T-Pain then. Sorry.
No, don't do it.
I hate buying monsters, bro. This jit is 500 diamond. Yo.
Oh my god.
This jit better be good. What's up?
What's up, bitch?
Better not disappoint. What? Yep, cut it.